Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Xfinity box error RDK-03036. So all you need to do is follow these steps. So step 1, restart your TV box, turn off your TV, unplug the Xfinity TV box from power, wait 1 to 2 minutes and then plug it back in, turn the TV on and check if the error clears. Step 2, check cable connections. Make sure the coax cable is tightly connected to the back of the TV box, the wall outlet. Inspect the cable for damaged loose fittings. Hand tighten connections. Do not over tighten. Loose or weak signal connections commonly cause this error. Step 3. Restart your modem and router. Unplug your modem. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Plug it back in. Wait until all lights stabilize. Restart your TV box again. Step 4. Remove splitters. If possible, if your cable line uses a splitter, try to connecting the TV box directly to the wall outlet. Faulty or weak splitters can reduce signal strengths. Step 5. Check for service outages. Visit xfinity.com status. Sign in and check for outages in your area. If there is an outage, you will need to wait until service is restored. Step 6. Refresh the TV box. Log in to your Xfinity account online. Select your TV box. Choose restart device or send refresh signal. Step 7. Contact Xfinity support. Contact support if the error persists after troubleshooting. You see damaged cables. The box won't power on properly. You may need a technician visit if the signal levels are too low. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.